Good morning, viewer. Welcome to our active English version, viewer. When males are forced to compete for females, new species from more rapidly. This has been shown in a new study where the researchers compared beetles allowed to mate freely with groups of the same species where competitions for mating was restricted. The experiments, which have been going on for 40 years and have followed 200 generations of beetles in direct lineages, explain how important sexual selection is for the emergence of new species. Species are formed when existing species diverge and become new species. Today, researchers are able to track this divergence process directly from species' DNA. But identifying exactly which biological factors and processes lead to species formation has proven to be a challenge. One of the processes proposed is sexual selection. It is a form of natural selection that favors traits that provide a competitive advantage in reproductions with other individuals of the same sex, rather than for survival itself. For example, it is common for males to develop gaudy collars to attract attentions or weapons to fight of their rivals. Sexual selection tends to be stronger in groups of animals who are one female pairs with multiply different males, which means stronger competitions among males for who gets to fertilize their egg. So, sexual selection is weaker where mating only occurs once, such as in mute swans and many mosquito species. But species cells formation takes a long time, making it difficult to directly observe this evolution in animals and plants in real time. A research team from the universities of Uppsala and Belgrade have now succeeded in doing just this in a long-term study of beetle species, the seed beetle Acanthoceladus obtectus. By comparing group of beetles that were allowed to mate freely with other groups where competitions for mating was restricted for 200 generations, they were able to observe that the populations evolved in different directions. The study is published in the journal Evolution Letters. Behind the exclusive report, FTM English Delhi, Bharat.